Okay, in the last class, we got the FBX file of this dance video through the AI motion capture tools. In this video, let's remap to our Panda.
I party like a rock star, look like a movie star, play like an all-star, like a...
Okay, let's open the file we saved after rigging. In the last video, we got the FBX animation file from the Rococo and Plusk. So in this video, we will try to remap this information to our Panda. Let's go through the remap process again. Go to the file, import the FBX. Please take note that our current frame rate is 24. After we import the new FBX file, the frame rate will be changed. Okay, go to File, Import, FBX. Find the FBX file and select the Rockstar Plusk. When you try to import FBX, please remember to enable the armature automatic bone orientation. Then click Import. Okay, let's go to the first frame. We don't need the skin, so select the skin object. You can press X, delete the skin. Select the bone, go to the object property, and check the view display, check in front. Okay, let's do the remap. Go to the ARP, open the remap menu, click the eyedropper tool. Okay, now you have the source armature. Select the controller, eyedropper tool. Now this is the target armature. Click auto scale, and then build bone list. Select the root, check the set as root, and scroll down. Find the redefine rest pose. Since we are in the first frame, the T-pose, we chose the current pose. Check OK. Since it's T-pose, we don't need to copy the selected bone rotation. Just click Apply. Okay, the last part is the retarget. No need to change anything, just click OK. Alright, you are all set. Since our import FBX file frame rate is 30, now your current frame rate is changed to 30. You can just hit the spacebar to preview your dance. Okay, your Panda is dancing now, but it have a lot of problems, like the hand is buried in the body. We will fix it later. Our import FBX animation have total 559 frames, so we change our frame range to 559. Delete the source armature. Okay, you finish the remap process of the Panda. Your Panda is dancing well, but it have a lot of problems, like the footstep is not very stable, and the hand is buried in the body. So in the next video, we'll try to learn how to do the motion capture cleanup to repair these actions. But before we do the motion capture cleanup, we should learn some basic animation knowledge such as the dope sheet and the NLA editor. Then we will do the mocap cleanup. See you in the next video.
Cut tips.